We're gonna do woodworking over here. If my daughter never reached out to Matt, I would just be stuck where I was, and that really wasn't a good place.
All right, you guys ready to talk numbers?
Yes.
We did very well on the video games. We did well on the motorcycles. We did well on some helmets. We did really well on knives and on some comic books. We didn't end up finding a safe, but the majority of the trash was actually sellable scrap. So that ended up making us some money and shaving down the cleanup cost. So believe it or not, total sales, $35,000. Just as shocked as you are. Costs were right around $15,000, so just around $20,000 profit. 51 to you, 49 to us, and $10,200. There you go, brother. Thank you so much. Guys, enjoy it. Family and freedom in your own space.
What you doing up there, huh?
Man, thanks so much for coming here and bringing a great crew here to help me and my kids. I appreciate it. Choose family. We know we did some good here for this family. We made some space. We made them some money. We made a difference.
You got some sharp claws there, girl.